Hey there guys, what's up? I'm Mohit Bhavsar and today I will review the Dell Inspiron 7567 Gaming. And I have been using it since 5 months. So without further ado, let's get started. Talking about the build quality is pretty solid I would say. But the materials used are somewhat, you know, rubbery type as you can see here. The rubberized material gets fingerprints more easily, so I applied a skin on my own by cutting it, of course. And when it comes to keypad flex, there is not much of a flex in the key presses, as you can see here. Coming on the screen is well built, but the position of the hinge, as you can see, is not pretty good because it will cause, flex damages. Like if you lift up the laptop from here, as you can see how much tilted it is. You're seeing? So it's that you have to lift it from here rather than lifting it from here. So that's one disadvantage. But overall, in 5 months, the hinge has not at all changed a bit. It is awesome, because the quality is nice. The charger is also good. It lights up every time and no issues in that. The trackpad is very responsive, and all the Windows Precision drivers are installed fine and good. So there is no such problem in trackpad, and it is much better than other laptops I would say, because while playing games like getting over it with Bennett 40, trackpad becomes an essential thing. So trackpad has a matte finish as you can see here. And guys, I have not scripted this video or anything, so it's just on the spot video making, and whatever I get I will just inform you. So trackpad clicks everywhere, and that's a good thing. Scrolling, zoom out and zoom in, everything works perfectly and smoothly, no issues in that. So this was all about the build quality of this laptop. Now let's move to its performance. Now let's move on to playing really heavy games, that is Forza Horizon 3, and it is a really very heavy game. So as you can see right here, it is skipping some frames, but while playing I have to keep it on very low settings because it is a highly demanding game, and that's the only issue. So let's press enter. I will skip this part as it takes some time to load, so stay tuned. One more thing I would like to tell, this has an anti-glare panel, and that is very nice. You can see I've opened the gallery door here, and here as you can see that there is no such major reflection. When you move extremely towards the lighting side, then only you will be able to see such reflections. Otherwise, if you are sitting right in front of it like I am, so you won't notice any such reflections, so that's a good thing. And this I'm starting with a very highly demanding game because it will get you an idea about what the actual performance of this laptop is. And the variant which I have here is the lowest one, the base variant. Yeah, this does not have the IPS panel, it is the TN panel, which is a very major drawback. As you can see, the colors start to get distorted just very easily by slight angle adjustment. So you have to sit at a very comfortable angle and set it up quite a bit before you actually do some work. So let's just skip this part. So yes, the game has now loaded. As you can see, the graphics of this game are really high, and now the fan speed has actually increased and it is at its full throttle. I don't know if you can hear it, but or not. Anyways, just let's play this game. As you can see the frame rate here. See, you can see how much it lags. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, guys, I'm not recording the screen because it will not show you its actual performance, because while recording it drains some of its cache memory, so the performance is not up to the mark. So let's increase the speed now. Now I've noticed that when you increase the speed, like the surroundings and the graphics are loading pretty quickly, so at this point of time it lags, as you can see right here. See, it's lagging, it's just lagging like hell, but it's pretty much playable. As you can see, it's quite playable here. See, it's lagging, but so that was it about this game. Moving on to the next game, that is Rise of the Tomb Raider. So here we have it, guys, Rise of the Tomb Raider. And as you can see, the frame rate here, it's not the actual. Anyways, let's continue. So this game requires a mouse, and I've got the Logitech G102. I will review that in the later videos. So as you can see here, when I move like the mouse like this, you can see the frame rate drops to 45, and it's always like that, like it's not any different. So let's play. Oops, I've not played it since a while. So this feature is quite good. It rotates the camera angle as you want. Don't need to hold the mouse every time. Oh no. So as you can see, now the frame rate has gone up to 59. So that's also one thing. Let's see where to get. Okay. Wait. So let's get to it then. Now let's shoot another one. I'm getting towards it now. Nice. And here we have, okay, you can go there just like that. So that's about it for this game. Let's move on to the next game, that is which one should we play? GTA 5. It's the most demanding one. Let's move on. So let's move on to, wait, let's play Just Cause 3, okay? No GTA 5. Let's play Just Cause 3. Here we have Just Cause 3, and this is awesome, very awesome game. Okay, let's start Just Cause 3. So this is awesome game. You can play it by.
Scouts have now been able to scan the interior of Col de Dracon. Interesting results. Come see me when practical.
It's almost like Spider-Man in this game, and as you can see, the frame rate here is now it's 74, 78, but when you drive, like let's say when we drive, it just decreases. Oh, where's the car? Damn it. Okay, there it is. Let's just drive. Okay, driving time. The driving physics in this game are also pretty nice. We got a better car. Oh, oops. We got a better car. Let's get to it. This guy is a thug. Now let's drive on to the full speed. Also, the speaker quality of this laptop is quite good, as you can hear. Okay, time to jump. Woohoo! That was awesome. So, time to fly now. Okay, let's fly. So, you can see that this is a pretty awesome game here. So that's about it. Okay. That's about it. So that was all about the gaming review of this laptop, and saying about other features like video editing, rendering, it is just fine and it works perfect. So I've been using it since 5 months and I have not at all noticed any kind of lags. We got Dell software update, as you can see here. Wait a minute, Dell update, yes. So it takes the updates regularly and automatically over a Wi-Fi network. And I've got some bunch of other, there it is, as you can see, True Color. So this is a software, or you can say a utility to improve the colors over your desktop, and I will show you the difference. Wait a minute. If I turn off the charging, the laptop is powered on and it's charging. So if I turn off the charging, you will notice, see there. I don't know if you noticed or not, but there is a very noticeable color change. So now, as you can see, the colors are quite different. And now when I will turn on the charger, now I will power it on, and now you notice the color difference. See right there. So did you note this? It was pretty noticeable. And when you turn on this True Color facility, then you get this feature. It is pretty cool, and I have no complaints about that. everything works fine. The battery life is awesome. It's really awesome. It will last you whole day without charging, no problem. And screen on time is of course beyond 5 hours, easily beyond 5 hours. And if it goes below 30%, then it prompts for no, it doesn't prompt, it goes into power saving mode automatically. And that power saving mode is awesome, it just that 30% will last for 2 hours easily. The mic quality is also awesome. There are no complaints. The Nvidia graphic cards updates are also regularly being installed, or we can install it manually with the GeForce Experience over here, as you can see. And that was about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hit thumbs up, hit like button if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned to this channel. I will be bringing more such videos in future. So peace out.